Hey YouTube, welcome back to TCTN. You know what time it is. If this is your first time here, my name is Dion. Thank you for being here. If you are returning, I appreciate you. Thank you for coming back. So today, I said they've had enough of the partial troll. The videos with just concealer on. And so I did a full face today. So I have on foundation, primer, blush, did my brows. So we're going to jump in and prime our eyes because we're doing another look with the Natasha Denona palette. And so let me prime my eyes and then I'll tell you what's going to go where, and I'll also point to the shadows right before I put them on, and I will also list everything down below. And I did also use setting spray on my face. We're going to blend that out as usual with the Sephora Pro Stippling Concealer Brush number 52. So in the Natasha Denona Sunset palette today, we're going to use Sundazed on the first half of the lid, Mandarin on the second half of the lid. We're going to use Soul as a transition shade, Terra in the crease and outer corner, and we're going to use Igneous as a liner for our upper lash line. And we're also going to put those same shades underneath our lower lash line, and we're also going to use Ice Gold as a brow bone highlight. We're going to use Ice Gold as a brow bone highlight using a beauty blender, winged eyeliner, something or other brush, which this is the only use that I found that I like this brush for. For liner, I have a video posted somewhere where it did not work out at all for liner, and I know I just need to practice, so it's just user error. It's not the product itself. If you guys have this brush, let me know, does it work for you to help you wing your liner, which is what it's supposed to do. We're going to go into Sundazed and use that on the first half of the lid. This is a Real Techniques Instapop shade brush. We're going to take Sundazed and put that on the inner portion of our lower lash line. We're going to go in, excuse me, with Mandarin on the second half of our lid, overlapping a little bit with the first shade to blend it in. So we're going to tap where the lines meet. We're going to take Mandarin on the outer portion of, well, more like the center of our lower lash line. We're going to take an Esam V34 brush and we're going to go into Soul. We're going to go directly in, and that's going to be our transition shade. We're going to go in with a smaller blending brush. This is the Esam V33, and we're going to go into Terra, and we're going to go directly in. And we're going to put that directly into the crease. And we're also going to take it and feather it in. We're also going to take Terra, that same shade, on the outer portion of our lower lash line. We're going to use that brush we used for Soul, that yellow shade, as you can tell. Not adding any additional color. We're going to blend underneath. We're going to take Igneous here and use this as an upper lash line shade. No additional shade. Sorry, wrong brush. This had Terra on it. No additional color. We're just going to blow out this outer corner a little bit to get some more depth over here. And without adding any additional color as well, we're going to just run this along the lower lash line just to further blend those other colors and just for a little bit of depth from whatever residual shade is on this brush. We're going to take Urban Decay Double Team Mascara. We're only going to use the cream side, and the color of this is Vice, which is purple. going to use something I haven't used in a while, and this is the e.l.f. matte lip color. The color is cranberry. Let me take some of my chapstick off. And so I'm going to outline my lips and then just fill it in with this color. So this, guys, is the finished look. Finally, you're probably saying, I think this lip color is too bright for this look, but that's not what I think you're saying. Finally, she did a whole complete look, and I'm not liking this lip. We're going to go over top of that with another e.l.f. product, and this is liquid matte lipstick, and this color is Vampy Violet. And then I'll put this on and be like, I don't like this either, but we're going to see what it does. So we're just experimenting. I like this. Don't think it goes with the eye look, but I still like it because I like dark lips. So this is what we have. Thank you for being here. What are your thoughts? If you have this palette, as I always say in each video, let me know what you think of it. Let me know if you're liking it. If you've done looks with this palette, feel free to post them below, and you will see me in the next video. Thanks, guys.